Hi everyone, here's a quick tutorial that will show you how to add additional sections like this to your Shopify theme. To do this, I'm using the Tapita AI Theme Section Store app. This app has hundreds of pre-built sections with a huge variety that serve multiple purposes, whether it's showcasing products, fostering communication with customers, boosting conversions. It basically helps you extend your theme's capabilities because it's compatible with all Shopify themes. So once you've installed the app, access the section library and select the section you want. You can use the search feature to find exactly what you need, super handy when you're looking for something specific. There are free and pro sections available. All pro sections are $9 once you purchase one, you own it for life. Besides that, the app also has a subscription plan for $9.99 per month. With this subscription, you get access to all current and future sections. So if you're planning to use multiple sections, the subscription is definitely the way to go. Here, I'm looking for the collection list section. Click on the eye icon here to view the section information, and click on View Demo to see the section in action. Now, click on the Install button under the section, then select the theme you want to install the section on, and wait for the section to install. And just like that, you're 90% done. A success message pops up letting you know the installation was successful, and you can quickly access the theme editor right from here. The rest is exactly the same as what you do with other Shopify sections. Just click Add Section and search for the section you just installed by name. You can customize every part of Tapita's sections. The section header, that's the top part of your section. The section body, which is the main content area. The section footer, the bottom part of your section. Plus section-specific configurations that vary by section type. Each section gives you complete control over colors, text, buttons, borders, and specific styling options that match your brand perfectly. Make whatever adjustments you need, save your changes, and you're done. Your new section is now live. That's it. In under a minute, you've added a professional section to your Shopify theme. Thanks for watching.